Hello everyone, I am Dr. Divya Gupta, your original guru for periodontics, and today I am here to show you a case of laser depigmentation. So before we see the case, let me tell you what is depigmentation. So depigmentation means it is removing the blackish discoloration that is present into the gums or the gingiva, right? Mostly it is a procedure of smile designing, and it is done in patients who have gummy smiles, means their blackish discoloration is visible when the patient smiles, and most commonly performed onto the maxillary region rather than mandibular region, right? Now this discoloration is because of the melanin pigment that is present into the gingiva, and there are various procedures, the various ways by which we can do depigmentation. So the most commonly performed technique is with the help of scalpel and blade, right? We use manual scalpel and blade and remove the topmost epithelial layer of the gingiva. Second is electrocautery, third is with the use of chemicals, and fourth is the laser. Now, chemical method is nowadays not used because we cannot control the depth up to which the chemicals will penetrate into the gingiva, and it might cause more damage to the gingiva. Therefore, chemicals nowadays are not used. So, only three methods are used: manual, electrocautery and lasers. The best of all these three is the laser technique. Why the laser is best? It is because there will be less bleeding or no bleeding at all. Only infiltration will be required and the patient will be very comfortable. The post-op healing is faster in patients of lasers compared to manual depigmentation. So obviously, and also the chances of recurrence. So remember one thing, that in whenever you are performing depigmentation procedures in your clinics, tell the patient that it will recur. It will recur because melanin is produced by melanocytes, and here we are not destroying the melanocytes. Melanocytes stay there, so they will produce melanin. But when we are doing the depigmentation manually, the rate of recurrence is faster. Means if a patient is getting the depigmentation done today, after 1 year or after 1.5 years, there will be recurrence. But if you are doing it with laser, there might be increase in the recurrence rate. Means there might be more time gap. So if a patient is getting laser depigmentation done today, might come to you with the recurrence after 2 years. It depends on the body. I'm not saying it that with the manual technique definitely it will be faster. No, it is not like that. But in most of the cases, it is seen that lasers work better. Also, we will have a clear field to work when we are using lasers. Okay, so this is what a depigmentation procedure is. So have a look at this video and thank you.